Hi Drastic Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw a holiday hearth, so let's get started. To draw this holiday hearth, let's first start by drawing a straight line right across for the top of our fireplace. So I'm going to start right here and we're just going to go right across. Say about that much. I'll stop and then I'm going to come down with a straight line on both sides and connect it with another line. So I'm just building our fireplace now, and then I'm going to come down with another level. So I'm going to come in a little bit more, come in with a longer straight line on both sides, and right here is where I'm going to be hanging some stockings. So I'm just going to come about right here on both sides. So I'm just going to imagine this through. If you're using a pencil, please just go ahead and finish this line. Let's just say approximate. And I'm going to start to draw the stockings in here. So it's all up to you how many stockings you want to put. I'm going to be putting 3. So I'm just going to start in the center so it's nice and even. So I'm just going to imagine this line is coming through. So let me just try my best here to put some lines through here right in the center, just so I know where to put my stockings. Okay, so let's start with the center, which is about right here, and I'm going to angle my stocking. So this is the top of my stocking. And then the sock part right here. So it's all at this angle. There, got one in. Now I'm going to come and do the same thing on this side. So just the same thing about right here. You can change your stockings if you like, different style. So it's all about the same area. And they don't have to be the same at all, right? Because you can have different sizes. So same thing right here. It's all up to you. I really hope this drawing inspires you to come up with your own holiday hearth. So once again, same thing. And connect. There, I have my 3 stockings in. Now I can go ahead and finish this line. There. Okay, so then now I'm going to come in with another step. So come in just a little bit, about right here. And now we're going to draw a really long straight line down. Same thing on this side. So a little bit more. All right there. And then I'm going to go ahead and come right down here. And so this base is what I'm drawing. Make sure your base is, if not the same, a little bit wider than your top. So about right here. Just going to go right across. And hopefully my drawing is not too lopsided. Round off my corners. And about right there, I'm going to go ahead and connect it. So I'm just drawing a very basic fireplace. There, got the fireplace in now. Okay, so then let's come in the center right here. I'm going to draw a big dome. So I'm just going to give myself 2 points so I know where I'm going on the other side. So it's a bit centered. And I'm going to go up. As I come to the center, about right here will be my highest point. So about right there is going to be my highest point. And I'm going to start to come down. And I'm just give it another layer. Just going to follow my outside. And then let's come inside. We're going to draw some flames. So simplified, I'm just going to go ahead and draw some flames in here. So So just some curves. And maybe this one's straighter, going different directions maybe. As you come to this side. And bring it right back to the center. And then inside just draw more of them for a different layer of the flame. There, you can always use color to bring it more alive. Okay, so we have our flame in. Now let's come to the top, right in the center. We're going to draw our wreath. So I'm just going to give myself some space to decorate the hearth. So let's say about right here. I'm just going to give myself a point, and that's where I'm going to start to draw this wreath. So I'm just going to use a bunch of curves, sometimes smaller, sometimes bigger, and I'm just going to create kind of this circle above our fireplace. There. And let's come in the center, and we're going to go the opposite way now in the center. So say about right here, sometimes bigger, smaller. So notice this side goes this way on the outside, and the inside goes the opposite way. Just makes our wreath look fuller by doing that. And so then now let's come in here. I'm just going to make a very simple wreath. So just add whatever decorations you want. I'm just going to add some circles here and there. And let's come down here, and I'm going to very lightly make this a brick fireplace. I'm just very lightly going to go through. You can also do this when you're coloring it, so it's not so harsh. But just want to show you, if you wanted to make it a brick fireplace, and don't worry if it's not perfect. It doesn't have to be at all. Okay, so then let's come in here. Here and there, I'm just going to add some vertical lines. And then here and there on each level. So it's at different steps. This is how we're going to stagger our lines. So it looks like brick. Or tile, whatever you like. There. Pretty cool, right? So now that the basic elements are in, let's go ahead and have some fun decorating our hearth. So I hope this inspires you once again, but definitely put whatever you want on top of here. I'm going to simplify mine and just may start with 3 candles on the side. So I'm just going to go ahead and draw these candles, some taller and some shorter. And if I'm going too fast, please pause the video. This is just meant to inspire you. And I can't wait to see your fan art, to see what you guys come up with. So I'm just going to come in here and draw some drizzle for our wax that's coming down maybe. And let's see, maybe in the center right here we can add a snowman. Why not, right? So big circle, another bigger circle, and 2 dots, a little nose, a smile, buttons. Let's see, maybe give him a little hat. And little arms. It's all up to you. And maybe we have a little smaller one here. Maybe this guy has a scarf. And maybe this guy has a little beanie hat. little nose and buttons and arms. And let's see here, maybe down here we can add a little Christmas tree. So very simple zigzag Christmas tree on both sides. And at the bottom right here, just zigzag it to finish it. You can add a little pot right in the center. Maybe give it a star at the top. And add some circles here and there for ornaments. And let's see here. In whatever room we have left, we can just put some ornaments. And then now, basically done. Let's go ahead and add some foliage in the back. So I'm just gonna wiggle on the back right here, here and there. So when you color it, you can add some greenery to it. And then I'm gonna drape it down. If you like, you can drape down. Or you can just leave it at the top, but this one I'm just gonna drape it down. And you can add little lights in here if you like. And let's see here, am I forgetting anything? Oh yeah, let's add some hearts on our stocking. So that we know they're Draw So Cute stockings, right? And let's see. That's pretty much it for this holiday hearth, and I hope it inspires you to draw your own. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please make sure to subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.